Hello and welcome back again, my friend, to the Bitcoin price prediction or Bitcoin forecast or BTC price prediction. This is Thomas with you again. We came back in another video. So, as every time, if you are a long-term trader, stick with us only here in the daily. If you are a swing trader, go to the 4 hours. And if you are a scalper and day trader, go to 30 minutes. And you go to fan timeline down in the description of that video. So, go choose depending on your trading style, and the timeline it will sort your trading style. So, let's start our lesson of today. By the way, before we even start, yes you, are you not yet subscriber? Why, my friend, make sure to subscribe to our channel and turn the bell notification on to receive all our latest updates and videos. It's not something hard, just a red button down, click at it, next to it a bell, turn it on so like that when we put in a new video you're going to be notified. Or you can even join us in Telegram. The link of our Telegram is in the first comment. You done it? Welcome to the family. So as you see here, that in the daily chart, today Monday, it's been the holiday of Easter, but the market here it done something new here. As you see, it's breaking for us here that 29k. People there in my Telegram channel have been following them because, as you remember, people they've been with us for some time now. We've been following that inside bar here for some time now, and now we're breaking here that level here of 29k. That very good news, but guys, you need to be careful a little bit because that candle here is the candle of Monday. So we need to see what the market is going to tell us tomorrow. Maybe we're going to continue it upward or not. But me personally, I think we are going to go till 34k. I show you that level before, but it's okay. Let me show it to you even now, because now look at it where we are. If you came here to that zone here, that one here, and you do it like that, you are in that zone here. As you see it, that one here, you are in it till now. So till now we couldn't break it above, but me personally, I think we are going to go till here, till that level here, till that peak here. That one here is it at 32k here. Then after that, maybe you're going to make a small correction or no. And the next level is it up here at that level here at 36k. So till now, everything is still looking healthy. Also, we are in an uptrend here, and as you remember me, I told you we got here an up channel like that. As you see it, even that up channel we're still in the top of it. Now either we're going to continue that when we're breaking that up channel here, or maybe we're going to make a correction downward. So here in the daily, everything still look healthy till now. We're breaking that level here. Now we are going to go up, so we need to make a close eye at that level here. I just show you now that one here at 32k, guys. Everything is too clear. Some people they buy with us from down here at 15k, at 19k here. They are laughing now. They're making very nice profit. And those ones they been saying they are waiting the Bitcoin at 10k. Let them to still wait. And me, till now, I'm still believing there is a correction going to come. Because till now, and me have been in the market of crypto for long, and I know it how it works. There is a correction going to come before the last jump, guys. So you need to be careful about those things. I think picture is too clear. Now let's going to see the coming news for today. So it's going there. The coming news for today, as you see it, we don't got something special here. We just got here that a short-term energy outlook. That one, it doesn't got a big impact to the market. But as I told you in Wednesday, what we got. So guys, if you haven't watched yesterday video, go back and watch it. Because in yesterday video, we give you the outlook for all the economical data which is coming that week. So go back and watch it. It's coming the CPI. That's why I told you, I'm still believing there is a correction going to come. Or maybe a big jump in the market. I think everything is too clear here. And here, our friend, the table of us we follow every day. Look at it. Even that one here, everything, it's look healthy today. Look at your stocks. The only one which is fall down is the Nasdaq. But the SP is going up. The Dow Jones is going up. So everything is looking healthy till now. But another thing here, look at the VIX. Yesterday we used to be 18.4. Today we are 18.97. That means it's going up a little bit scarcness. And even US dollar. Yesterday we used to be 101. Today we are 102. So that means even the US dollar go up a little bit. So you need to be careful about those things I'm showing you. I think picture is too clear, guys, here. Now let's go into the 4 hours to see what the Bitcoin doing today in the 4 hours. So let's go in there. Here we are in the 4 hours. Over here is only for swing trading. Yes, you are right. By the way, before we analyze for you here for swing trading? Did you smash the like button? And no, you don't. Pause the video now, go smash that like button, write down a comment, support us guys. Also, every day we give you our analysis free here. We don't want nothing from you, we just want you to smash that like button. So please go ahead and do it. You done it? Thank you very much, my friend. So as we said here, people they've been with us that 3 weeks now. We been here, we saying we got here a distribution level here. That's what us we been waiting the break to happen here. It happened here, and people they are in my Telegram channel. I told them exactly when it's getting broke here. By the way, even you can join us there. Now it's getting broke here. Look where we are. We are here at that level here. I want to show you something very important here. What me have been telling you here at that level here. I'm talking about the people they've been with us for some time now. Also we been saying like that. We got here that level. If it's getting broke, where it need to be the take profit. We been saying you came here, you drawing here a vertical line like that, and you doing like that. So the take profit it need to be here exactly. Set 31,500 here exactly at that level here, as you see it guys. So people they enter swing trading from here, they need to put stop loss down here, take profit here at that level here of 31,500. Remember that 31,500. What me I told you there is a level here at 32k guys, so you need to be careful about that level. Now what should you do here at this time? There is nothing to do now. Yes, also we got here a very big divergence in the daily in the 4 hours, but over here it's showing to us it's still continued upward. So that's what else we're doing here. We just enter from here at 31,500. Try to protect yourself, take some of the profit, try to protect yourself. That's the only thing I can tell you now. Everything is too clear guys here. So now did we got any price action here at that level? You can draw here like a trend line like that, as you see it how I started. I came to that level here and that one here, and I draw here a trend line like that, and the trend line I will wait it to get broke either up or either down. You can even draw in here like a small wage here or something, but it will not be clear. Now the market is showing is going up, as you see it. So we need to wait until that 31,500, which is here at that level, guys. Everything is too clear. Now let's go into see our indicator, what it's saying today. Our indicator, you remember what me have been telling you here. I've been telling you there is no bear market. Forget about those people they telling you to enter short. Look where we are now. We enter here to the overbought area, guys. Yes or no? And you remember we used to have here a long-term downtrend like that. It's getting broke here. Look at it. Me have dealt it. Now we are here at the overbought area. Try to take some of the profit and protect yourself. You don't know what's going to happen. And here, I show you and I told you in the last here. I told you we got here a divergence. Let me show it to you. Look guys here. If you came here to those ones here and you came to those ones here, you see the market, it give you something not right. And even here you see the last or the high peak here, which is doing like that. And down here we still have here a divergence that we may have told you guys. I'm still thinking there is a correction going to come. But the good news here in our indicator, also now we are in a bull market, and now the bulls who controlling, there is no bears guys. That's the good news here. So till now there is nothing new here. Also we stay in an uptrend. That way also we enter in the 4 hours when the break is happening. Everything is too clear. Now let's go into see our other indicator, what it's saying. That one here, you remember we used to say here we have here a divergence. You can find all that in the last videos. But what me have been telling you, I've been telling you there is no entry long unless if we break in here. And there is no entry short unless if it's breaking down here. As you see it's breaking up. Also we enter long. Take profit, I just show you where it's going to be. At 31,500. Remember that, 31,500. Now here, what should you do? Here at that level where we are here. Over here, there is nothing to do. You're just waiting what the market is going to give you here. You can draw now a wage, but that wage, it will not be very clear. You can do it like that, as you see it. And if that one came down and breaking down, you can enter short. So I think everything is too clear, guys, here. Now let's go into 30 minutes to see what Bitcoin doing today in 30 minutes. So let's go in there. Here we are in 30 minutes. Over here is only for scalping and day trading. The last 2 videos, you can just go back and watch only 30 minutes. The last 2 videos, the past one and before the past one. Just go back and watch them only in 30-minute chart. And you're going to know, also we give you here a signal here, and we told you we got here a wage. When it's getting broke here, we told you to put stop loss here. The last video we came, we being here at that level here. At that level here, what me I told you? I told you here you can draw in something like that. When it's getting broke here, I told you to enter, and I told you to put the take profit here. Did it bring it? Look at it. You by your eyes. Over here, I haven't analyzed it for you, but here, look at it, what it give you here. The market, it give you here a flag, very clear flag, and it bring for you to take profit here exactly. Now at that level where we are here, what should you do? There is nothing to do here. The only thing there, you can draw here a trend line. Yes, the market is still far away from it. You saw me how I'm gonna draw it. Came to that one, and I'm connecting them by a line. So if that one fall down and break here, you can enter short, or you wait in the market to give you here another price action. Maybe give you here a flag or a peanut or a triangle. If it's getting broke up, you can enter long more than that. Me, I show you in the 4 hours. Also, we're going to 31,500. It's our indicator. What it's saying, guys. Our indicator is it here at the overbought area. So technically, you need to look it for short. But to enter short, you need a price action. There is no price action, guys, there. So there is no entry short, and me, I just show you in the 4 hours the market is still going up. Yes, me, I know it. Today is Monday. There is a correction going to come in Tuesday, so you need to be careful about those ones. If it happen a correction here and the market give you a price action, you can enter long again. But the Bitcoin is going to 31,500, guys. Everything is too clear. So that's it for that video, and please guys, don't forget to support us by just smashing the like button, writing down a comment. You done it? Thank you very much, my friends. See you in another video, guys. Bye for now.